Hello and welcome everybody. I'm your host O2 Sensor. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your oil change light on your Chevrolet Trailblazer. It is a very simple process. It takes less than 2 minutes to turn off this oil change light on your dashboard. So very simple. Make sure your vehicle is in park, e-brake is pulled to avoid any mishaps. Turn your key to the on position and then you want to stab the gas pedal 3 times within 5 seconds of turning the key onto the on position. Do not start the vehicle though. Alright, so without starting the vehicle, turn the vehicle to the on position, push in the gas pedal 3 times, and you'll see the oil change light start to flash, and she'll disappear. I just like to start the vehicle just to confirm, make sure it's gone, watch for all the lights to turn off, and we're all good and done. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope it helped you out. I do other videos on my Drift Miata build series and my Toyota MR2 SW20 build series, as well as tool reviews, how-to videos like this one, and junkyard walkarounds. So if you're interested in watching any of those videos, please check them out, and please consider subscribing. It really helps me out big time. Please leave a like on this video if you liked it, dislike if you didn't like it, leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. Thank you all so very much for watching. Y'all have a good one.